What's up, guys? Are you interested in knowing how you can make money simply by typing names, guys? This is gonna be a make money online video that's going to teach you guys how to make money online by simply typing words on your laptops. Okay, so this is gonna be essentially something that every single body wants to know how to do. Everybody wants to learn it. It's completely free. So I'm gonna be taking you guys through this process. It's completely free and easy to do. So let's get into it, guys. All right, everyone, welcome to the Frugal Investor. What I'm doing here is just help you make money online every single day. Whatever you're doing, you're making money from it. Okay, so if you follow the channel, you're gonna be getting constant updates on how to make money online. Very, very easy, very, very fast. And most of the times, you don't even know to have to invest anything, because what we do is to find the best way to make money online and bring it to you. Once again, welcome to the Frugal Investor. Subscribe to the channel, put on the bell notification icon, like this video to get rolling. Okay, so see you guys in the video. Okay, guys, so the platform I'm using for this video is called squadhelp.com. Okay, so just go to your browser. You're gonna see a platform. You're gonna just type in squadhelp.com. It's gonna bring you to a platform like this. Okay, but maybe I'm gonna leave a link in the description, but in case I don't, just go ahead and just type into this into your browser. Okay, so now what you need to do is, first of all, sign up to this platform, right? So what is squadhelp.com? Now, squadhelp.com is like a normal freelancing platform. Now, these guys pay you to type little things. They can pay you as much as $300 just to type a brand, guys, a brand. Okay, there's several things you can do in squadhelp.com. You can do you can do a graphic designing. You can give a brand name, maybe a business name. Let's say a mechanic guy wanna open a mechanic workshop, but he doesn't know the name to give the mechanic workshop. So all you have to do is just come over here and just give it a name, And I'm going to giving you guys a bonus of how you can find names you can give to your clients, okay? So, and these names are generated automatically by smart AIs, so you don't have to pay anything. It's also completely free. So make sure you stick with me to the very end of this video, because I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of value in this whole video. So the first thing you need to do is to actually sign into this platform. So to do that is very, very simple. Just come over here that says account and click on what, sign up. So it's gonna bring you over to a place like this. Here you gotta give them your first name, your last name, your display name, your email address, and your password, and have to confirm your password as well, right? So here you're gonna specify who you are, right? Are you a buyer or are you a creator? Okay, so basically what we are here is a creator. Okay, so what you're gonna be choosing here is just join as a creative or market seller. Okay, so you can also want them to be giving you some of their promotional offers and squad help marketing and stuff like that. It doesn't hurt. Just click on that and do what, create your account after filling in all these things. Okay, so you can also go ahead and read the terms and conditions, but you can also just entirely sign up with your Google account if that's going to be much easier for you. So after filling those forms, the next page is gonna bring you a place where you can upload a picture, or put in your address, your country, your state, your city, your PIN code, and your mobile phone number to update your profile. Okay, because your customers, your clients need to know who exactly they are talking to. So I recommend you put your normal picture over here to actually get this done. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and sign up to this platform to show you guys how this thing it looks like, and also how you can make money from this, and also how you can generate free names, right, for your clients. So guys, when you're done signing up, this is basically what your account might gonna look like. So there are actually lots of things to set up in this platform, because this is actually a business, right? But I'm not gonna go in through all this. If I do that, it's gonna be like an hour or two long video, but I'm not just gonna do that. So what we're gonna be doing right now is to check exactly what people have been doing in this platform. Do people actually make up to $300 in this platform? So simply let me just check this my account section over here. So I'll just click on this. I'll click on this. Let's check what people have actually been making in this platform. So if you come over to this winners over here and check on recent winners, okay, so you're gonna see people that have actually have won recently, and check this lead high rating. So let's just check the recent winners to see exactly how much these people are making. Okay, so once you come over here, you're gonna notice that well, this guy is actually won recently. This one is April 12th, this one April 11th, this one April 11th, this one $100, this one won $300, and this one won $200. Okay, so over here, what did they actually do? This person just gave a name to an English training app, just a name. And with that said, guys, before I say any more about naming things, for you to actually join the naming contest, you have to pay a fee of $10 in signing up. Okay, so you make sure you have to pay that fee for you to actually be able to join that contest. Okay, so the other one, yeah, this other one did what? Innova Building Company. I think this one named Innova Building Company, and this one did what? For innovative startups. So over here, okay, this one actually built a logo. Okay, this one actually built a logo. This one is a logo that she built to actually make $200 just a logo, guys. But just imagine going to Fiverr to do these things. This thing could actually be like $10 or $5 in Fiverr. But over here, this person actually made like $200 just at a go. Okay. Obviously, Fiverr is actually a good place. I'm not saying that Fiverr is not a good place. Fiverr is a good place to get started for a beginner who wants to make money online. But you might also want to check this one out, and it's just $10 for naming contest. And naming contest is something that people really get. Now, some of you might be asking, what is this naming contest and why do people actually go for naming contests, right? So this is because people actually like someone that wants to create a company, for example, like the mechanic guy I gave you guys as an example, wants to create a company but doesn't know what to call the company, right? People pass through this problem a lot. Okay, so what you have to do is just simply come over here, sign up, and present yourself. This person comes over here, sees you, and picks and tables out the order, not actually picking you. So what you have to do is submit your own name. So the person will go through these things, and anyone that the person likes more, the person is gonna choose that one. So this is not like, hey, I want to work, so pick me, let me work for you. No, this is like a cloud situation, right? That's why they call it squad help, right? Everybody helps. Now, if you get chosen, you get paid. That's just how it goes. Okay, so hope I'll actually explain these things for you to understand, right? So over here, they actually give you a business name generator, business name ideas, and other things, right? So you can just go ahead. Let's just go ahead and check out this business name generator to see exactly what's gonna bring us to. All right, so let's just click on what generate name. So here it says AI powered business name generator. So this is entirely for free, guys. So you can also come here and generate your own and generate names. Probably a company say they want to build a mechanic workshop, like I said. So let's just come over here and put in the let's just put in the company. Let's just say should I say I want to do something mechanic, something related to mechanics. So let me just scroll down and see if I will see any of that. So this is F. All right. Okay, so this is okay. So I'm not actually getting this. Well, anyway, let me just go ahead and choose aerospace. Is same engineering aspect. By the way, I'm an engineering student, and yeah, so that's why I love engineering so much. All right, so let's just go ahead and click on that next, and we can just put in the keywords we want. So we probably want to use just two. Let's just use aerospace or jet. Okay, let's do jet and jet. All right, so jet. Let's just try jet aero. We'll never know. So now click on the next one. So what emotion or big idea should the name evoke, right? So let's just say let's just scroll down. Let's just say luxury. Never know. Let's just click on what's name. So here it's using AI to try to generate a name for us. So I don't know how long. Okay, it didn't actually take much. All right, so this is it. So here it's giving us a name and a logo, guys. Isn't that great? So here it says aerator. Now this is kind of classic, luxurious, and this one avionic. So yeah, so this is actually names you can actually take, and this is kind of domains. You can actually just buy a domain with this name in it, avionic.com, with a price of $1,995. Here, hellogalaxy.com. I'm not going for this. I think Avionic is cool. So yeah, this is actually a very nice platform to make some money, guys. Come on, this is just like giving something a name, typing into just few words, and then boom, you're making money for yourself. And here it's giving you a free name and even a logo idea. So in case the person say, okay, I want to build the logo as well, just come over here and pick this thing and just use this to make a logo. And guess what? Now, this is a secret. You can also just snag this out and just go and do what? Remove the background, and boah, that's the logo for you. Or just take out all these things together, remove the background, and that's the logo for you. But hey, I didn't tell you that. Okay, so let's just continue. So this is basically how you can do this in this platform, and hope you guys actually see how easy it is. You can make lots of money from this platform. You can make up to $10,000 from this platform. And with that said, I think people are already making that. And let me just go ahead and check out if I will see any leaderboard with such earnings, right? So let me just click over here and see the leaderboard. Well, over here you can see people are actually making this. So this person won just 4 times last year, and this person earned this amount. Can you imagine, guys? This is really great. Okay, so this person earned 31,879 US dollars just for 4 orders, guys. Just 4 orders, right? So this person is ranking the first. So you can see that there are a lot of money people are making from this platform. This person is the second one, won 4 orders as well, and earned over 50,000 US dollars. And this person is the third person, won 3 orders last month alone, and earned like $21,000, over $21,000. So you can see people are making money from this, and guys, you can see that this is very, very easy. Like I just showed you guys. I just showed you guys an example of how to generate names, and it's not something that anybody should be finding difficult with, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys can see how the potential money you can make from this platform. All you need to do is just take your time and set up your platform, guys. And if I'm being honest with you, setting up this platform might kind of be a bit hectic, but it's something you can do, right? So once you do that, you start making money online for yourself, right? See you guys in this video. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Take care and God bless.